Well, got my new tank. Got the old one out. And I don't know if you guys can see in that, but it's pretty filthy in there. Even after all the cleaning, it still managed to find more. But if you can see this baffle, it's kind of in there. Right here. Plastic baffle. This one doesn't have that, but it does have a tray. So I'm presuming that will do just fine. So I just got to take the pump now and reinstall it and get it back up into the car. I'll give you another update and let you know how it all goes, but even my tank straps, they're Velcro. 18 years old and the Velcro still works. Well, 38 years old, I guess, technically, but this stuff is really soft. It's in good shape. So I was lucky there. I was able to get that back on the tank, and it should go in pretty smooth. So I'll give you guys an update at a later date. Have a good day.